What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see if we can connect our Metamask wallet to Bullx Neo. Also, if you guys are actively trading on Bullx Neo and you want to save up on some trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description below to create a new account, and that way you will get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts. And now let's get started. So first off, once you open up your account, you will be on your homepage right here. Now to connect a wallet, from your homepage you would need to go to the wallet manager right here. And here we would be able to connect our wallet. So first off, let's just go ahead to Metamask and let's get our wallet address by clicking copy right here. Now once you have your wallet address, you can click add wallet right here. And here we would be able to see which chains are supported. So at the moment they only support Solana and Tron, but Metamask is an Ethereum wallet. So let's see if Metamask offers any other chains than Ethereum by clicking right here. So on this menu you would be able to see all the chains and networks that Metamask wallet supports. So unfortunately they do not support Tron and Solana. So you can't actually connect your Metamask wallet to Bullx Neo. So I hope guys that this answers your question if you can connect your Metamask wallet to Bullx Neo. So the answer is no, until they add the Ethereum feature. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.